Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the process of retrieving data from a SQLite database. Whether you're building a web application or a mobile app, knowing how to fetch data is crucial for building dynamic and interactive experiences. So let's get started. Retrieving data from a database is an essential skill for any developer. In this video, we will focus on fetching all data from a SQLite database using Python. We'll cover the necessary steps and provide you with practical examples. Before we can retrieve data, we need to establish a connection to the SQLite database. In Python, we can achieve this using the SQLite3 module. Here's an example code snippet. Now that we have established the connection, let's move on to fetching all data from the database. We'll use the select statement to accomplish this. Here's an example code snippet. In the code snippet, we first create a cursor object using the cursor method. The cursor allows us to execute SQL statements. Then, we use the execute method to fetch all rows from the users table using the select asterisk from users query. We store the retrieved data in the data variable. Finally, we iterate over the data and print each row. It's important to note that you can customize the select statement to fetch specific columns or apply filtering conditions based on your requirements. SQLite provides a rich set of SQL functionalities that you can leverage to retrieve data in various ways. Fantastic! You've learned how to retrieve all data from a SQLite database. This knowledge will empower you to build dynamic applications that can display and process data from the database. Remember, you can further enhance the code to suit your specific needs, such as formatting the data or performing calculations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and valuable. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy coding.